Let's get you off the trail. Come on. We got little toads. One here. There's one over there. Look, guys, we found ourselves a toad. But this monster right here just hit our stove and moved it.
Okay, guys, we got some turkey vultures flying over us.
Oh, look. He is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but anybody know what that is? He's going pretty fast. It's some kind of larvae. Probably a beetle or something. Not sure what, but it's going fast. And here we go. We got it. Caterpillar. Okay, guys. You know, we're out here in Kufa. And I was out here just messing around looking for things, and I came across a mating pair of rattlesnakes. Don't know how good a video this will be. But they're right there in the bush. Very small. Very small. Small set. He stopped moving. He's watching.